Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Goodwill. Let's see what we can find. And this is a Goodwill far away from me. And the color of the week is blue. What is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know. What is this? Um, yeah, genuine fox leather. Huh. I don't see any brand. Nope. Mm. Oh my goodness, I got one like this in black and beige. I haven't had the chance to use it yet. This is an antique lamp. Japan. This is old. I don't know what that is. I'm not even going to take it out of the package. What is this? I don't know. A tripod, I guess? I don't know. I guess this is a tripod for either a tablet or... Honestly, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let me check that out. Hold on. I'm going to put it in the car and I'll check it out in a minute. $2.99 for two. Oh my goodness. These are, oh wow. Perfect for tea party. Cutie. You guys see what I see, right? Let's see this. Oh, somebody painted this. This is somebody's. This is not professionally done. What is this? Oh my gosh. $9.99. Refrigerator dish. It's soup tureen. It's beautiful soup tureen. Oh, another refrigerator dish. Right behind you. And here we are in the green. Beautiful. How much are these? I have two of these, two small one of these. Oh, they don't have prices, guys. No, they don't have prices. And I'm not even gonna ask because they jack the price up when you ask. And here we are on the pink display. This is a Dollar Tree bottle for $3.99 from Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree bottle. Look, $3.99. These are cute though. These are really nice. $1.99 each. $5.99. Like I say, if I buy anything like this, it have to be in curtains. I do buy because that's okay. But I don't buy anything for my sofas, for my bed. There, I gotta take it right away and put it in the laundry room to make sure there's no bed bugs. You gotta make sure of that. All right, guys. I didn't find anything that I'm interested, but just the plate, so I'm going to call it. So, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. Bye.